The common dreams you should never ignore. Introduction. Dreams have fascinated humans for centuries, often seen as a window into our subconscious mind. While they can be mysterious and sometimes confusing, dreams often convey significant messages and meanings. The interpretation of dreams can provide insight into our emotions, fears, and desires, and even give us guidance for our waking life. In this article, we'll delve into 10 common dream meanings that you should never ignore, aiming to shed light on the potential messages behind your dreams. Falling dreams. One of the most common dreams people experience is the sensation of falling. This dream often reflects feelings of insecurity, loss of control, or fear of failure in waking life. Falling dreams could signify an apprehension about an upcoming change or challenge, urging you to regain control and address your fears. Flying dreams. Contrary to falling dreams, flying dreams usually represent a sense of freedom, empowerment, and liberation. These dreams can signify a desire to break free from limitations and explore new opportunities in your life. Pay attention to the context and your emotions during the dream to uncover specific areas of your life where you seek liberation and growth. Being chased dreams. Dreams where you are being chased often symbolize avoidance, fear, or a desire to escape from a real-life situation. It could be a manifestation of stress or unresolved conflicts you're dealing with. Analyze the chaser and the environment in which you're being pursued to gain a deeper understanding of what aspect of your life needs addressing. Teeth falling out dreams. Dreams where your teeth fall out can be alarming, but they often indicate concerns about appearance, communication, or a fear of losing power or control. Teeth are essential for communication and self-image, so this dream may be urging you to focus on how you express yourself and your self-esteem. Being naked in public dreams. Dreams of being naked in public or inadequately dressed typically relate to feelings of vulnerability, shame, or fear of exposure. These dreams might highlight your insecurities or fear of judgment from others. Reflect on your waking life and situations that make you feel exposed to understand the root of these feelings. Unprepared for an exam dreams. Dreams of being unprepared for an exam or important event are common, especially in individuals facing stressful situations. These dreams often reflect anxiety and fear of failure in your waking life. Consider the context and emotions surrounding the dream to identify areas where you feel unprepared and work on enhancing your confidence and preparation. Water-related dreams. Dreams involving water, whether it's calm or turbulent, usually symbolize emotions and the subconscious mind. Calm water can represent tranquility and peace, while turbulent water might signify emotional upheaval. Pay attention to the state of the water and your emotions during the dream to interpret its meaning accurately. Death or dying dreams. Dreams about death or dying can be unsettling, but they rarely predict actual physical death. Instead, they often symbolize change, transformation, or the end of a phase in your life. These dreams may encourage you to embrace change and view it as an opportunity for personal growth and renewal. Meeting a deceased loved one dreams. Dreams involving deceased loved ones can evoke strong emotions. While they might simply be a product of your subconscious longing for connection, they can also carry messages of closure, acceptance, or guidance from the spiritual realm. Reflect on the interactions and emotions in the dream to find comfort or insights. Infidelity dreams. Dreams about infidelity, either you or your partner, can evoke strong emotions and cause anxiety. However, they often reflect insecurities, trust issues, or a fear of losing intimacy in your relationship. Communication and addressing any underlying concerns with your partner can help alleviate these fears and strengthen your relationship. Conclusion. Dreams are a powerful tool for understanding our subconscious mind and emotions. While dream interpretations are subjective and can vary from person to person, paying attention to common dream themes and their potential meanings can provide valuable insights into our lives. Remember, dreams are a natural part of our psyche and should be embraced as a means of self-reflection and growth. If a dream consistently troubles you, consider consulting a professional dream analyst or therapist for further guidance and understanding.